Our next strategy for subtraction is going to be decomposing Dan. You might also know this one as partial sums, but in our class we call it decomposing Dan just to go along with our superhero theme. So this one all focuses around using numbers in their expanded form for their true value. So I'm going to expand both of these numbers. I have 532 minus 146. I'm just going to separate these into columns to stay organized. I immediately have a problem because I cannot take 6 away from 2. So this is where I'm going to borrow. Now instead of 30, I'm only going to have 20. Because I'm going to borrow, this is now going to be 12 ones. Now I can do 12 minus 6 is 6. Once again, I run into a problem. 20 minus 40. That's going to give me a negative number. And in 4th grade, we don't deal with negative numbers. So I'm going to have to borrow yet again. I'm going to borrow from the hundreds place. Now I'm only going to have 4 hundreds left. And I'm going to give that 100 over here. So instead of 20, I now have 120. 120 minus 40 is going to give me 80. 400 minus 100 is 300. I can now see that my answer is 386. In standard form, that's written 386. And that's how we subtract using decomposing Dan.